ZoomInfo is an invaluable tool for lead generation, providing accurate, up-to-date contact and company information to help sales teams target and convert leads effectively. Here's how to use ZoomInfo for lead generation. Set up your account. First, log into ZoomInfo and familiarize yourself with the dashboard. You can integrate it with your CRM for seamless lead tracking and outreach. Use advanced search filters. Go to the Search tab and apply filters to define your ideal customer profile. Use criteria like industry, company size, job title, location, revenue, and technologies used to find targeted leads. Refine search with intent data. ZoomInfo's intent data feature shows companies actively researching topics related to your product or service. Prioritize leads showing strong buying intent. View and save leads. Review the detailed contact profiles, including verified emails, phone numbers, and social links. Save relevant contacts to lists for easier outreach. Export contacts. Export your leads to a CRM like Salesforce or HubSpot, or as a CSV for further nurturing. Outreach. Reach out via email or phone, using the enriched information to personalize messages and increase engagement.